Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl NailedBySimone, and I'm back with another video. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am going to be more consistent on YouTube, and my posting days will be Wednesdays at 11:11 a.m. So make sure that you guys are subscribing and you guys are able to see my videos when I post them. First, we're going to start off by pushing her cuticles back and filing her nails. I did not get to record that part of the video, but that is very important when you're doing acrylic nails, okay? You do not want your nails to be shiny at all. They need to be ashy, okay? So what I'm doing here is sizing her tips, and then I'm going to glue her tips down. So now I'm going to size her nails. I'm going to get my nail clipper and I'm going to cut her nails. Today we're doing a long set. So this is what my long sets look like. Okay, she's getting long, taper, square. So when I measure my nails, I want all of my nails to be the same length. It just looks better. Like all of your nails should be the same length. Like pinky, ring finger, middle finger, pointer, thumb, all the same size. Okay, so here I'm going to do a tip blend. That's when you take your sanding band and you blend the natural nail to the tips. Some people blend it like blend the whole entire nail, but it's really not necessary and it's time consuming. So what really matters is that your nail plate and the tip is blended together. So now I'm going to start setting up to do my acrylic. I have my primer. This is like the best primer ever. I do not remember the name of it, but I am going to post a picture of it in the video. And this primer is really, really good. Like, it makes your nails last a long time. And when you're using this primer, you do not want to put it on their skin at all, okay? Because it is acid, okay? And it does burn. Like, it will literally burn your skin. So make sure that you're not getting it on your client's skin, okay? So I'm going to pour my monomer in. I'm going to prime my nails with my primer. And then you guys are going to see me put a thin layer of acrylic on my nails. Now, this is just a tip if you guys want to use it, because sometimes when you're doing nails, you can forget to prime, okay? And then sometimes your primer dries out and then it becomes not useful. So what you want to do is prime your nails. You see how I'm doing it 2 at a time, priming it, and then putting a thin layer of clear acrylic. This way, I won't forget to prime any of the nails and everything is already locked in and secure. So when I start doing my acrylic, my colored acrylic, I won't have to double back. And, you know, you want to make sure that your client's nails are lasting. Okay, so the colored acrylic that I will be using today is Mia's Secret Tan. Okay, this is like a good nude natural color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm showing you guys in detail how I lay my acrylic. Okay, you want to make sure that your monomer and polymer ratio is phenomenal. You see what I'm saying? So you see how I just lay that bead and it's not runny or no nothing. Like, you literally just want to be able to pat and drag, okay? And make sure that you're cleaning your brush. Like, if you're looking at the video, you should see every time that my brush is leaving the screen is because I'm wiping it. It's very important to wipe your brush. Your brush will get dirty and you have acrylic stuck in it and you won't be able to use it, and just going to be horrible. Make sure that you're wiping and cleaning your brush, okay? So I think I did a 3 bead method on this nail. Usually that's what I do with my longer nails. My short nails, I only do 1 bead, maybe 2, depending on the client. But yeah, so you just want to lay your acrylic and then pat it down and blend it very well. Okay, now is the time that you are going to shape and file your client's nails, okay? So you want to get up underneath it, get the sides. I shape in all different ways. Like in this video, I'm just showing you guys this pinky nail because I didn't have enough battery to record this video. So I'm going to show you guys all of the steps that I'm doing. So you're going to take your sanding band, you're going to sand the whole nail. Going from sidewall to sidewall, up and down, whatever you feel comfortable with. But the purpose of this is to make sure that your nail is leveled out, okay? And then I'm going to go in with my shaver and I'm going to remove all of the scratches from the nail. And you're also going to clean around your cuticle area to make the acrylic flush to the nail. Okay, you don't want any gaps and stuff like that because that's how you get lifting. Okay, you don't want your client's nails to lift. So make sure that you're going around the cuticle area. Be very careful. I use a safety drill bit. Like this one is a plastic one. They have metal ones. But I'm just not comfortable with using the metal ones because you could literally slice your client's hand open. And I do not have time for that. So make sure that you guys invest in a safety drill bit. And this is how the nails look after all of the shaping and filing. So now what I'm going to do is clean the nail with alcohol. Okay, I use 99% alcohol on my client's nails. Okay, you want to make sure that all of the oils and everything is cleaned off the nails. That way that your gel polish can dry correctly. and you won't have any problems. So what I'm going to do is I'm clean the nail once again, and then I'm going to add my base coat. Okay, I use base coat before I put on gel polish. It's just easier to do the designs like that. So you're going to see me applying that. The base coat that I'm using is the D&D base coat. All of my nail polishes are D&D. The designs that we're going for today is going to be a drippy nail, and then we're also going to do a spider web nail. Now, unfortunately, I thought I was recording this part and I was not, but I wish I would have got the spider web on camera because it was so cute. Okay, so we did a black spider web and we outlined it with orange, and we did some orange glitter on it, and they just came out so nice. So again, you guys, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see more detailed videos, please comment down below. I do want to do a video that's more in depth of prepping, because prepping is very important. That's like the most important part of doing acrylic nails. Okay, so I will be doing a video on that, and make sure that you guys subscribe, because I will be doing videos every Wednesday at 11:11. Okay, every Wednesday at 11:11. So make sure that you guys subscribe and you guys are hitting the notification bell so that you guys could get notifications when I post my videos. Okay, look at that spider web. It is so cute, right? So, let me tell you guys this. So when you're using glitter, you want to make sure that you're wiping your nails. So the top coat that I used is not a no wipe top coat. So I do have to wipe it with alcohol so that it's dry and not sticky, because if you do not wipe it, the glitter will be everywhere and it's not going to come out cute. So this is the end result of the nails. They look so cute to me. Like, let me know down below in the comments if you guys like this, and make sure that you guys are rating it from 1 to 10. These are so cute. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on social media.